Today we are going to be destroying this old remote control car that does not have a controller anymore with a bet against this toy. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video. So let's get into it. Try to hit right here. Maybe there, I don't know. Alright. There goes the wheel. Alright guys, so this right here fell off. And the wheel fell off. Cannot really hit the wheel anymore, so we'll just chuck that. And we have this left. We're gonna try to hit like right here and try to blow through the car. So let's see if we can do it. Alright, so we're gonna try to hit right there. Oh boy! Let's go! As you can see, we cracked through it, both sides. Ooh. Wow! Ooh. That destroyed the back tire. Here's this. We can't use this anymore, so throw that away. Alright, guys. Ooh. Jesus. Ooh. Alright guys, so that had hit the ladder. I destroyed this practically. This came off. This came off. One of the hoods came off, and this came off. So probably one more head will finish it. So let's do that last tip. Oh baby, triple! Oh baby, triple! That was a home run because I got 4 pieces that fell off. Got the last tire, last piece, and you got a side of the truck. So that was all for this video, guys. I'm a little sweaty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Spiderweb. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment what you thought. Help me grow this channel, people. I'm at 114 subscribers. I remember when I was just at 1, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, subscribe for more of this kind of stuff. So, JLM Productions 360. Bye.